of one of Gotham's most seductive villains, Poison Ivy. But behind her charm and beauty lies a deeply scarred past. A past she was revisiting. She was returning to her roots. These memories pierced her thoughts like the thorns from a rose. She was an only child named Pamela Lillian Isley, born with a skin condition that cursed her with an aversion to sunlight. Her father strictly ordered her to not venture outside, regardless of the medication her doctor prescribed. As night came, Pamela snuck into the kitchen looking for a quick snack. When she heard the sound of her mother screaming, her father's rage became a nightly ritual. One day, her father left for work early. And she saw her mother gardening. With her father gone, she couldn't wait to join her mother in the garden. But as she approached, she realized the extent of her father's fury, marking her mother's body. Even so, Pamela's mother treasured the moments they spent together in the garden when her husband was away. It was the only peace they knew together. She told Pamela that the flowers could speak to her if she was quiet and listened. As evening settled, they returned inside before Pamela's father arrived from work. They had forgotten about the kitchen mess after their long hours of gardening. Pamela watched her mother frantically clean the kitchen, the minutes ticking by as they both nervously scrambled to tidy everything to perfection. When her father suddenly walked through the door, he was like a different man, with flowers in his hand and a smile spread across his face. He offered silent apologies for last night, and each time Pamela's mother forgave him. Her kitchen became a symbol of the beatings, each flower telling a violent story, an extension to her mother's garden, mute witnesses to the cycle of violence. Pamela learned early on that flowers were powerful. that through flowers one could easily be manipulated. It was a lesson from her father that would lead her down a path of obsession for plants. That night was the last night she saw her mother alive. It was the first time her mother tried to fight back. But by the time the police came, it was too late. Her father was found guilty of domestic violence and murder, sentenced to life in prison. Pamela was devastated, and her mother was buried in the garden they often found peace in together. A grave she still came to visit time and time again.